So very serious charges leveled by Manish Sisodia, senior Aam Aadmi Party leader. The Delhi police has rejected these charges. Manish Sisodia had alleged cash for votes in Jangpura. Delhi police says not true. In fact, Delhi police has gone on to say that these bribery allegations could not be substantiated. They are unsubstantiated. Manish Sisodia had alleged bribes were offered in exchange for votes. Delhi police says we've been on ground. These allegations cannot be substantiated. So let's listen into Manish Sisodia. We'll also get you what Delhi police is saying. Shreya Chatterjee joins us in just a moment. But let's listen in to Manish Sisodia first.
तीन चार टेबल बीजेपी के लगवा रखी है यहाँ पे, वो नहीं चलेगा। ये बीजेपी की दिख रही है आपको? बीजेपी के लोग बैठे हैं सारे, बीजेपी के लोग बैठा रखे हैं तीन टेबल्स पे।
लगा रही कितनी सारी लोग
तीन टेबल यहाँ पे लगवा रहे हो और यहाँ पे महिलाओं को पैसे बंटवा रहे हो। पैसे किसने बन रहे हैं? ये वाला घर है, हाँ बना रहे हैं। पैसे बांटे जा रहे थे इस घर में। मैं कह रहा हूँ इसको रेड इस घर में छापा डालिए, इस घर में रेड करिए, इस घर में रेड करिए। ये बीजेपी की टेबल, ये बीजेपी की टेबल, ये बीजेपी की टेबल, ये बीजेपी की टेबल तीन। अभी राकेश सागर को बुला रहा हूँ। राकेश सागर के नाम से ऐसे थोड़ी परचेस होता है। तीन चार टेबल बीजेपी के लगवा रखी है यहाँ पे, वो नहीं चलेगा। ये बीजेपी की दिख रही है आपको? बीजेपी के लोग बैठे हैं सारे, बीजेपी के लोग बैठा रखे हैं तीन टेबल्स पे।
लाइन लगा रही कितनी सारी लोग
तीन टेबल यहाँ पे लगवा रहे हो और यहाँ पे महिलाओं को पैसे बंटवा रहे हो। पैसा नहीं है, पैसे किसने बन रहे हैं?
And I quickly want to bring Shreya Chatterjee into this conversation. Shreya, we heard Manish Sisodia's allegations. You've spoken to the Delhi police. How are they responding to this?
Yes. Well, they've absolutely said, Gaurav, that this cannot be substantiated. What the Delhi police has said, that they went to the spot. Their staff, in fact, checked. What happened was there were three tables side by side simultaneously belonging to two other parties along with the BJP. That's where the commotion happened, where Sisodia thought that all the three tables belonged to the BJP. What the police has said, that they have verified on the ground, even the allegation of cash being distributed, but that couldn't be substantiated. So Delhi police has clearly said nothing like that has happened, what Manish Sisodia is claiming from the Jangpura area.
Shreya, this would very clearly indicate that this battle in Jangpura is truly a jung for every vote, whether it's Manish Sisodia, the Congress or the Aam Aadmi Party, and this three-cornered fight is making this battle very desperate.
Well, absolutely. You know, Gaurav, the kind of visuals that we are seeing, this is a really high-charged battle. There's been allegations coming in. It's not stopping since last night. We're seeing that MCC violation debates coming from both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP. Some of them have also translated into legal cases by the Delhi police. But there are cases like the ones that's coming from Jangpura, where Delhi police has clearly said that this cannot be substantiated. That is actually Jangpura, a very difficult seat right now, with equal fight between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Manish Sisodia also hoping to actually secure the seat, and that's exactly why you can see all these leaders, they are scrolling across their constituencies to see nothing untowards happen and their seat gets secured. That's exactly what we see happening when Manish Sisodia reached the spot and he made those allegations, though the Delhi police say that those allegations aren't true.
Okay, keep tracking that story. Do keep in mind, India Today has the biggest team of reporters on ground, the most well-informed team on ground zero to get you the latest today on polling and then on the 8th on results.